I've seen that also on the last question, the thing was like this. Also on the last question, the thing became like this, huh? And then it was like this, and then here it's coming like this, here it's going like this. So you have seen now we're calculating the speed. So meaning first you have to calculate the areas. I think I taught you in the other previous. Here it is 0 there it was 10. Here it is 0, there it's 10, there it's 80 here it's 13, here it's 21, okay? Then here it's what? Here it's 10. And then here on top, the final velocity there is 24. I have calculated it is 24 here on top. Go from calculating it. Here on top in red, 24. Okay? It's 24 there on top. So it's 10 here and then 24 on top. We have calculated it. So if you're calculating the speed, we know the formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance over time. But we don't know the distance for the whole journey. And the distance for the whole journey, we use it to we use the area of the triangles. You remember? I think I've explained this in the previous teaching. So it means if this is a diagram, I have to find area 1, area 2, area 3, area 4. All these areas. So the first triangle, rectangle there, area 1 is a triangle. Area 1 is a triangle. So meaning the triangle is like this. What is the area? Area is half times base times height. What is a base? In the first triangle, what's a base? From here to here, what's a base? In the first triangle, from here to here, it is base is 10, height is 10. Base is 10, height is 10. Base is 10, height is 10. So is equal to half times base is 10 times height is 10. Because height here it's 10 here, and then the base here it's 10. Okay? So it means what is the distance? So 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 5 into 10, it's 5, so it's 50. Okay, 50. That's for the first triangle. The second shape is a what? Is a rectangle in that diagram. You can see it. Let's go back to the second area. The second area is this diagram here. This one here, this diagram, this box here. Okay, so here it's 10, 8. So this box is 10, 8. So this box here it is 10. There it is here it is 10. There it is. Are you correct? What was the actual diagram saying? Let me look at the question. It is 2, 8, 13. Okay. 2, 8, 13. Here it's 2, 8, 13. I've made a mistake. So 2, 8, 13. That was the actual question. 2, 8, 13. So here we have to rub here. So here we rub. Here it is 2, 8, 13. The numbers down here it is 2 here, and then there it's 8. Okay, so this triangle it's 2 and 8. So the triangle there it is here. What number is here? It is 2. The number here it is 2. There it is 8. What is the height of that triangle? Let's go back to the shape. Where is the shape? The height of this triangle is 10. Have you seen this triangle? Here it's 2, here it's 8. Then there it's 10 on top height. Height is 10. This triangle. This one I'm shading. The height is 10. So it means on height there, I'll put height is 10. Okay? So what's the distance between 2 and 8? So I've subtract 8, I remove 2. So the distance there is what? 6. So area of this triangle, the area of this one, it's L times the B. So area, it is L is what? 6 times B is 10. So it is 60. You see? Just like that. Again you go to the next shape. What's the next shape of the nun? So I've calculated this area. We are now dealing with this other area, this one. Okay, area 3, this one, which is a trapezium. So we're drawing that area. The shape is like this. Have you seen? This is the way it looks like. And then what's the distance from here to here? According to that shape, the distance from here to here, it's 10. You see, the distance from here to here, because you are doing this triangle, the distance from, this is the shape that we're looking at, this one. Okay, this one. This is the shape I'm looking at, this one. So the distance from here to here, it's 10. So meaning that there it's going to be 10. The distance from here to here, it is 24. Okay, how do you know? Look at the diagram here to show you. The distance from here to here, it's 24. As you can see, it's 24 there on top, up to here. Here to here, it's 24. So it's 24. And then the distance between here and here it is what? Here it is 8. And then here it is 13. Okay? So what's the distance between 8 and 13? Meaning the distance from here to here, it's how long? This distance. How do you find that distance? It is 13 minus this 8. So this 13 here, you remove this 8 here. So it will be 13 minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5. So it is 5. So meaning this distance is 5. So I've got 10. I've got 24. That's why now use that formula for area now. So area is equal to half A plus B, and then H. And then area is equal to half. Then those two sides, you add them. These two sides, you add them. You add 10 and 24. Those are the ones that are A and B. So you add 10 plus 24. Closed. The height is the one that is going to be the what? It's the one that is going to be the 5. So this 5 is the one that's going to be my height. Okay? Don't ask me why it's horizontal. The height, just know that it's 5. It's the one that is between these two lines. So it means height is going to be 5. And then you simplify this. It will be 10 plus 24. 10 plus 24, it is 34. So it will be 34. So it will be half times 34 times 5. And then you do your calculations. You know how to solve this. You find the answer. Just like that. Again, you find again the area of the last shape. Which one is the last shape? We go back to the diagram. The last shape is which one? Is this shape. This one, the one that I'm shading in yellow. This one, it's like a triangle. Again, even if I find the area. You see, I'm finding all the areas of all the shapes. So again, that triangle is like this. The distance between this point and this point, here it's 24. There it's what? Here it's 24 here. There it is 13 here. Okay? The height from here to here, it is how much? 24. Okay? It's 24. That is the height. Okay? It is 24. You can see it. The height from here to here is 24. There it's 21. I mean, here it's 21, not 24. Here it's 21. Here it's 21. Okay? Then you find the area. Area is equal to half times the base times the height. Half times. What is the base? From here to here, for me to calculate the base, I've already taught you. You subtract 21 minus 13, which will give me 8. I have to subtract this 21 from this 13 from this 21. Then I'll get 8 times the height, 24. You see? That is area 4. So these are the areas. When I'm done with the areas, what do? Then I find the distance. Then the distance is equal to the sum of the areas. Area 1, which I found, plus area 2 plus area 3 plus area 4. When I add these areas, the answer I get will be the distance. Let's say, for example, the distance is 500. You see, I've got the 500. That's the distance. After finding the distance, that's when I can use that formula for speed, where I say speed is equal to distance over time. So the distance will be equal to the sum of the areas. The ones I've added, area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 plus area 4, which was what? 500. And then I said divided by. Then I what is the total time that was taken? The total time is the last time, this one, which is 21. So you divide the entire distance, divide it by what? By 21. That will be the answer. And then this side is meters per second. That's how you solve this.